Here's a mistake I see constantly. Developers use in an irrigation expecting to see all their users, then wonder why half the data disappeared. The culprit? Not understanding the fundamental difference between inner and left joins. Let's start with an NULL join. This is the strict enforcer of SQL joins. An NULL join returns only the rows where there's a matching value in both tables. Think of it like a Venn diagram intersection. If a user has no orders, that user won't appear in your results at all. If an order has no matching customer, it's excluded too. Only perfect matches make the cut. Left join takes a different approach. It's also called left auto join, and the name tells you what it does. A left join returns all rows from the left table, your first table in the query, plus any matching rows from the right table. So if you select from users and left join orders, every user appears in your results, whether they've placed orders or not. The left table is preserved completely. Here's the key detail. When a left join finds no match in the right table, it doesn't skip that row. Instead, it fills the right table's columns with NULL values. So a user with no orders will show up with NULL for order ID, order date, and any other order columns. This is how you can tell which rows had no match. So when do you use each? Use an error join when you only care about records that exist in both tables, like finding users who actually purchased something. Use left join when you need all records from one table, regardless of matches, like generating a report of all users, including those who haven't ordered yet. Choose based on whether missing relationships should exclude rows or just show as NULL. Remember, inner join is your filter for mutual existence. Left join is your safety net that keeps all left table rows. Master these two, and you'll write correct queries every time. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.